Welcome to Learn English with Maya. Hey there, English learners. Are you ready to speak English with confidence and have fun while learning? You're in the right place. On this channel, you'll find exciting lessons, real-life conversations, fun stories, and powerful tips to help you master English quickly and naturally. So hit that subscribe button and join Maya on this amazing journey to speak English like a pro. Let's get started. Small diamond situation. Emily, a tourist, is lost in New York City. She asks a local for directions to Central Park. Excuse me, sir. Could you help me? I'm trying to find Central Park.
Of course. Central Park is not too far from here. Are you walking or taking public transport?
I'm walking.
Great. Just go straight down this street for about 3 blocks. Then turn left at 5th Avenue. You'll see the park entrance on your right.
Got it. Walk straight for 3 blocks. Then turn left at 5th Avenue, and the entrance will be on my right.
Exactly. It should take you around 10 minutes.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Enjoy your time in New York.
Situation. Jake, a tourist, is in London and needs to find the nearest train station. He asks a passerby for directions.
Excuse me, ma'am, could you help me? I'm looking for the nearest train station.
Sure. The nearest one is King's Cross Station. Are you walking or taking a taxi?
I'm walking.
Okay. Walk straight down this road for about 5 minutes. Then turn right at the traffic lights. You'll see the station entrance on your left.
So, I walk straight for 5 minutes. Turn right at the traffic lights. And the station will be on my left?
That's right. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help.
No problem. Have a great trip.
Situation. Lisa, a tourist in Paris, wants to find a famous bakery known for its croissants. She asks a local shop owner for directions. Excuse me, sir. I heard there's a famous bakery nearby that sells the best croissants. Do you know where it is?
Oh, you must be talking about Le Petit Croissant. It's very popular.
Yes, that's the one. How'd I get there?
It's quite easy. Walk straight down this street until you reach the second traffic light. Then, turn left onto Rue Saint-Honoré. Walk for 2 more blocks, and you'll see the bakery on your right.
Got it. Walk straight to the second traffic light. Turn left onto Rue Saint-Honoré. And the bakery will be on my right after 2 blocks.
Exactly, but be prepared. There's usually a long line.
Oh, I don't mind waiting for a good croissant. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your croissant and have a great time in Paris.